Here's how to diamond lace Nike Air Force Ones. Start by taking a hold of your lace and we're going to feed the metal tag onto it by flipping it over, bringing one lace end up through one side and then down through the other, just like this. And then flip it back over. And you want to make sure it's in the midpoint of the lace. And a good way to do that is take a hold of your two lace ends and then pull everything taut until the tag sits in the middle. So just pull that through, take a minute to do that. Pause the video if you need to. And then we're going to make sure it's the right way up before we get started. Great. Now we're going to take one of our lace ends down into the very bottom eyelet on this side from above. And you want to pull that through until you've got the tag sitting there, making sure there's no twists. Then you're going to swap to your other lace and take it down through the very bottom eyelet on the other side. Nice. Make sure it's sat in the middle and it's the right way up before we get started. Great, now we're going to keep a hold of our lace on the right hand side and we're going to bring it over to the left and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side from above. So you want to bring that down. Then we're going to keep a hold of it and bring it up through that second eyelet on the left-hand side from underneath. So you get something that looks like this. Then we're going to swap to our left-hand lace, bring it over to the right, and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on the right, from above. And then we're going to fill in that empty eyelet by bringing that lace end up through it from underneath until we have this X shape. Then we're going to continue on with that. Keep a hold of the right hand lace and we're going to bring it over to the left. Let's skip an eyelet and instead take it down to the one above that. From above. And then you want to bring it up through that empty eyelet underneath from underneath. Then swap back to your left hand lace and do the same on this side. Take the lace over, skip an eyelet, and instead take it down to the one above that. Looking good. And then you want to bring the lace end up through the empty eyelet underneath it from underneath. Now remember, you can play this video on half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all with this. Great, now we're going to repeat that again. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, skip an eyelet and instead take it down to the one above that. And then you want to bring that lace end up through the one underneath from underneath. Swap back to your left hand lace, bring it over, skip an eyelet, take it down to the one above. Looking good. And then bring that lace end up through the one underneath. Looking good. Now we've reached the final eyelet, we're going to finish off the pattern by doing the exact same thing we've been doing, but instead of skipping an eyelet, we're just going to take it down to that final one. So keep hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the final eyelet from above. Swap to your lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down into the final eyelet from above. Looking good. And you want to make sure all those diamonds are looking nicely positioned. And then you want to take a hold of these excess laces and just tie them in a loose lace bow. Then go ahead and tuck that lace bow out of sight behind the sneaker tongue. And it'll just sit on top of your foot when you slip your feet in and out and it won't disrupt the pattern. These laces are super soft, they shouldn't bother your feet at all, and it'll keep everything in place. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of diamond lace Nike Air Force Ones. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.